looking at me. I'm ready to go in.
You can use any black sheer stockings. I got mine from AliExpress. This is a diagram of all the cutouts I did. Right now I'm cutting out the singlet part. So the crotch is your neckline. Make sure you have a really good pair of scissors. You can see that my scissors is not that great and the edges are super rough. You can always fix it up later if it doesn't look nice. This is all about trial and error, so I just kept on trying it on, see what design I would like, and then I just did it. You can get really creative with it. You don't have to follow what I did. For the cutouts, I just did 2 slits, one deeper than the other one, and on the other side I did like an oval shape to make it a little bit bigger. For the sleeves, I'm using the legging part. So you cut the top and the bottom straight line, and then for the thumb, I cut out a little triangle to fit it in. And that's it. This is a finished product. Not bad.